everybody. Welcome and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. This is just our initial little introductions video for the Canadian backyard farmer. My name is Jeff and I am the said Canadian backyard farmer, or at least I'm aspiring to be. I have a background of almost 10 years in horticulture, and for the most part I have been working in the landscape, maintenance, that kind of side of things, and well, it's been great. That is not where my passion lies, and I am hoping within the next few years to fully transition from that side of horticulture into the more regenerative, organic, small-scale micro farm side of things. So for the next little bit, I am going to be transitioning my backyard into a vision of that, or as close to as I can, renting and living in the middle of a city. I live in the PNW up in Canada, and we are in Zone 8. So we are lucky here. There's a lot that we can grow, so I am going to be pumping as much of my knowledge into this backyard as I can, and I am so glad that you have decided to come along for the journey. You don't have to stick around, but if you subscribe and like these videos, I will be very, very grateful, and you are going to get to see a lot of hopefully successes, lots of failures I'm sure, but you are going to be seeing this learning process from the beginning. And I hope within the next few years, you are going to see us grow into what our dream is, and you will get to enjoy all the successes that we are hopefully going to experience. So again, thank you so much for tuning in, and we hope to see you around.